Hey everyone, I just want to give you an update on what we have planned for the rest of this class. So, fortunately, this is not a field-based class, so that makes some things easier, but the most difficult part is that most of you are fairly new students and might feel a little lost in all of this. So, first off, you're not alone, all right? I am a click of an email away. I have set up a WebEx room that I can chat with you like this. If you have a video camera, we can chat face to face. We can do group chats. We can do quite a bit. I'm still figuring it out, but pretty confident that it's going to work pretty well. Seems to be what everybody's using right now. So I'll have some links to that for you in D2L, and I'm going to hold office hours every Monday from 2:30 to 3. So like the last half hour of our regular class time. The reason for that is because of how I want to structure the rest of the semester. So just want to start off with how you can get in touch with me. Always through email, and I think everyone has access to email. If you don't, I don't know how you've been managing college so far, so at least you have email. If you have other technology limitations, maybe you don't have a laptop, maybe you don't have internet, there are a lot of resources available to you. The school is even working on some small grants for students to get the technology they need. I'm going to put some resources in a folder on D2L called COVID Resources for Students. So check that out. Next, here's how I want to roll. We actually only have 3 weeks left in our term because of getting this week canceled. So I am going to be putting together lessons each week that you can work on your own time at your own pace, mostly video recordings. I may stop and ask you to do something. I want it to be somewhat interactive, but it probably won't be interactive in real time, so you can fit it into your own schedule. I will try to have these posted by Friday for the following Monday's class period. And then our office hours are at the end of the class. So if you tried something and it didn't work, pop on office hours. I can share my screen. I can show you what to do, and I can extend those office hours past a half hour if need be. I just want a window where you know that I'll be diligently signed into WebEx, and you can click in and join me if you want. So be watching D2L for all course announcements. If you're having trouble navigating in D2L, if I'm not making something clear, please send me an email, ask me a question. I'm trying to make sure I'm fairly consistent across all my courses. Some of you have me in more than one, so hopefully there'll be some continuity there. Also, I'm open to suggestions. You guys are looking at other faculty's websites too, so if you see how something is working really slick and smooth in another class, feel free to let me know, because I'm always open to trying a new and better way of making something work. Okay, so pay attention to D2L. By Friday this week, I will have Monday's information posted. We'll start out by looking at planning your future in our NRE program at Front Range, and I'll have that posted on Friday. I was going to say something else there, but I forgot. So main thing is check into D2L over the weekends. Check into D2L at class time every Monday. Since we only meet once a week, I'll just be focusing on making sure you have at least one new announcement a week with everything that you need. But definitely by 1 o'clock every Monday, that week's information will be up. So let me know if I can help you. If you're struggling in any of your other classes, reach out. I mean, that's kind of what this class is for. So if there's a tool or a resource that someone else is wanting you to use and you don't know how to use it, give me a shot. I can, if I don't know, I can find out. I have a pretty tech-savvy husband here in my house too. So we'll help you figure this out. Hang in there, guys. Again, let me know if you're having any problems. All right. Good luck. Take care. Stay safe and get outside and enjoy the sunshine. It's amazing.